Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sama if you're new here, and today I have a video about a topic I have been struggling with all this time, and finally I found a solution. And I actually saw that nobody's talking about it, and it's a very simple solution. So I don't know if you have the same problem, but I have been trying to upload my videos on HD on TikTok with the same quality that I have on my phone, but I couldn't do it every single time. I will lose all the quality on TikTok, and I didn't understand why. So I kept watching a lot of videos, and every single time they will talk about the upload HD button on TikTok, or how to edit your videos on your laptop and then upload them from your laptop and all that stuff, but still it will not work for me. So I kept looking for solutions and on my own, and then I found out that the actual solution is on your phone, on the settings of your phone. So yeah, I figured out that I will be talking about it on this video and sharing this with you guys. So if you like this video and it was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and I will let you with the solution. Go ahead. First of all, we will click on settings and we will go to camera settings, which is where we will change everything. Once we are there, you will have everything like this, and we'll click on record video. As you can see here, as soon as we do that, it will look like this if you didn't click on HDR video. If you did, as I will do right now, you will see you will have high efficiency in every one of the options. And if you remove it, which I did, it will come back to this. And that was the problem for me, and that's why my videos didn't look good when I was uploading them. And that's it. You don't need to do anything else. You can record your videos now and they will be uploaded in full HD. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and that now you can upload your videos in full HD finally. If you have better solutions as well, go ahead and leave them on the comment section down below. I will be so happy to know about them, and if you have any kind of questions, I will be so happy to answer as well. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.